Sometimes the mind is trying to destroy the body on the inside. Yeah, you come in here with your face on your phone. You can only say hi when you're literally done. You can't ask a simple question of how I'm doing, but it's always about you and the storm you're brewing. I know I'm whack, I know you don't respect me, but I don't give a fuck about your wife or your family. Not anymore, I am done with that. You attacked me twice in my life, here's one back. This time I get to dish out at least one hit. Like One Punch Man, I am chomping at the bit, and this beat is hella lame. You're to blame. Too much effort might make me pop a motherfucking vein. There's not a lot of worth in you right now is what I think. Remove my name from your brain cells and your lip sync. I know where this is going, I know that I don't matter, and that's why I never call. You always knock me off the ladder. You always knock me off the ladder. That's right. It took a lot of breath of my asthma-filled lungs. This time I'm done with watching my tongue. I don't care if I have to live my life on the run. When I ask for your help, I might as well use a handgun to shoot myself in the foot, because you always deny every single idea that I try to run by, as you always have something better to do. You're busy and all I say is crap, right dude? That's why I'm spilling all the beans in this rap, because I don't want to stay dead in your trap. I need to be free and done with your bullshit, and this temper tantrum is making my brain fit. I know my dad got bitter, cause I can feel a jitter. It's coursing through my veins like violent glitter. Motherfuck this shit, I have to get out of here. For years now it feels like you both disappeared. I'm glad I got my mom and my beautiful soulmate, a bunch of friends who I can trust without hate. I'm 50% sorry for the things I've said. I really think it's time for you to come and break bread, but that will never happen. I'm not worth your time. All I do is whine, so I guess I'll walk the line. I might not be perfect, but you are far from fine. I'm stuck with my foot on the switch of a mind. You won't hear this track, or you think that I'll lie. You're pretty short-sighted for a big and tough guy. You're black and I'm white, like spy versus spy. From the start, I've always been sitting on the side, and you only have eyes for your new family. Naturally, I understand it to a certain degree, but I'm leaving for the ways you keep treating me. That's why I'm gone before I turn into a casualty.